So we certainly can do this problem here with finding the z-score that delineates the bottom 40% for the upper 60%. And we can do that with this table. But what we got to do is, because we don't know the z-score, we have to go inside the table. And I know 40%. See, we want 40% to the left, the 40. So I know it's going to be a negative z-score because it's, the mean is 0, and that's 50%. And the mean and median are the same in these distributions, right? So what we got to do is we got to go inside the table, and we have to find something as close as we can get to 0.4. 0.4. And I went down to the positive z-scores here. Just a minute. So 0.40, 0.44, 0.0413. Okay, so somewhere in between here. So we want to have 40% included to the left. So this one isn't quite big enough, right? See, that's not quite 0.4. This one does include the 40% to the left. So I'm seeing a z-score of negative 0.2, and then we're going to go up to the top of this. Let's see, you're going to go to top. Let's see, which column is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th column in. So we're going to go up to the 6. So 0.2. Let's see. So 0.25, negative 0.25 will be the z-score that delineates the bottom 40%. And that's an approximation because we couldn't get exactly 40%. So I'm a fan. If you've watched my other videos with the normal curve, I'm a fan of this calculator. And the way you get to find a z-score based on a probability, we're looking for the probability of 0.4, not negative 0.40, and that'll give me an error. 0.4, and we get because it's on the standard normal curve, we'll do a mean of 0, standard deviation of 1, and we want below. And notice how that gives us one more extra decimal place. So I like this. Now you could also say 0.6, and that would be above. And notice how that's exactly the same score. Makes sense. So this is when you're looking for a z-score or a value from a probability, you choose value from an area. And if you're looking for just a probability, you use that one. And then you can go watch my other videos about all that. Okay, so hopefully that helps.